What is Lavandula x Allardii? Lavandula x Allardii, commonly known as Lavandula x Allardii, is a hybrid lavender variety that combines traits from Lavandula dentata and Lavandula latifolia. This cross produces a plant known for its aromatic foliage and vibrant purple flowers. It's a popular choice for gardens due to its hardiness and versatility. The plant is characterized by its compact growth habit and dense clusters of fragrant blooms, which make it a favorite among lavender enthusiasts and gardeners alike. How to care for Lavandula x Allardii. Caring for Lavandula x Allardii is relatively straightforward, provided you adhere to its specific needs. Here are some tips. Sunlight. Lavandula x Allardii thrives in full sun. It needs at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day to grow well. If you're growing it indoors, place it near a south-facing window. Soil. Well-draining soil is crucial for this lavender variety. It prefers sandy or loamy soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 8.0. Avoid heavy, clay soils that retain moisture, as they can lead to root rot. Watering. Overwatering is a common mistake with lavender. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Water only when the top inch of soil is dry. In winter, reduce watering frequency. Pruning. Regular pruning helps maintain the plant's shape and encourages new growth. Trim back the plant after it has finished blooming, cutting just above the woody base. Avoid cutting into old wood, as this can damage the plant. Fertilizing. Lavandula x Allardii doesn't require heavy fertilization. Use a balanced, all-purpose fertilizer once in the spring. Too much fertilizer can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of blooms. How to propagate Lavandula x Allardii. Propagating Lavandula x Allardii can be done through seeds or cuttings. Seeds. Start seeds indoors 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost. Sow them in a seed tray with well-draining potting mix. Lightly cover the seeds with soil and keep them moist. Germination takes 2 to 3 weeks. Cuttings. For a quicker method, take cuttings from the plant in late summer or early fall. Select healthy, non-flowering stems and cut them just below a leaf node. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone and plant it in a pot with well-draining soil. Keep the pot in a warm, sunny location and maintain soil moisture until roots develop, which usually takes 4 to 6 weeks. What to plant with Lavandula x Allardii. Lavandula x Allardii pairs beautifully with several other plants in the garden. Rosemary. Another Mediterranean herb, rosemary complements lavender well, sharing similar soil and sunlight requirements. Salvia. Salvias add vibrant color and are tolerant of similar growing conditions, making them great companions for lavender. Echinacea. The contrasting textures and colors of echinacea flowers add interest to a garden bed featuring lavender. Thyme. Low-growing thyme works well as a ground cover around lavender, and its aromatic leaves enhance the overall fragrance of the garden. How to use Lavandula x Allardii. Lavandula x Allardii has various uses beyond its ornamental appeal. Culinary. The flowers can be used to flavor dishes or brewed into herbal tea. They add a subtle lavender flavor to baked goods and desserts. Aromatherapy. Lavender essential oil, extracted from the flowers, is popular in aromatherapy for its calming effects. It can be used in diffusers, bath oils, or homemade candles. Crafts. Dried lavender can be used in sachets, potpourri, or as a decorative element in crafts and arrangements. Garden design. Its neat growth habit and attractive blooms make it an excellent choice for borders, rock gardens, and container gardening. Is Lavandula x Allardii toxic? Lavandula x Allardii is generally considered non-toxic to humans and pets. However, ingestion of large quantities of lavender could potentially cause digestive issues. It's always best to keep plants out of reach of pets and children to avoid any accidental ingestion. Conclusion. Lavandula x Allardii is a fantastic addition to any garden, known for its beautiful, aromatic flowers and ease of care. With proper sunlight, well-draining soil, and minimal water, this hybrid lavender thrives and offers multiple uses. Whether you're growing it for its fragrance, culinary uses, or aesthetic appeal, Lavandula x Allardii is a versatile and rewarding plant to cultivate.